Hey everyone, Zion here. Happy that you're here. I came here just to talk to you about a little topic, and it's about something I read where it was a story about a girl who got into a fight with her parents, and her father was a pastor, and she went through a lot. So now she kind of like doesn't like Jesus anymore. She thinks Jesus is the most toxic relationship that she had, but she's looking at Jesus through, well, her parents, right? So I just came here to tell somebody that Jesus is not toxic. It's people who are toxic. People who follow Jesus are not perfect, and they're following Jesus so they can become good people as well. So I kind of like wanted to throw that out there. Whoever is following here, remember and know that Jesus is not toxic. The person of Jesus, even if you look into the history or the story of the actual person, he wasn't toxic at all. He was sacrificed and he died for people. That's all I had to share. I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.